least, the most beautiful time of the year has finally arrived, which put us in mood for some baking, cooking for our loved ones. Today I'm going to bake some chewy, chocolatey, hot cocoa, almondy, crinkle cookies, which you have to try for yourself to believe it. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll start by mixing our dry ingredients. So I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a half teaspoon of baking powder to give these lots of lift, and to that I am going to add half teaspoon of salt to balance. We're going to whisk all of these together until they are very well combined, and then we're gonna set them aside and we're gonna work on the wet ingredients. I'm starting with 1 cup of room temperature butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. It's always good to mix 2 sugars together. It gives a nice texture to it. I'm going to mix everything together until they're nice and light and fluffy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That looks really, really good. And now we're just gonna mix everything together. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my dry ingredients to the mixture. And gently we're going to mix everything together. At this point, the cookie dough is just perfect, delicious the way it is, but chocolate is never enough for us. To that, I am going to add some Hershey chocolate chips. Chocolate on chocolate is just perfect. We're just gonna gently fold the chocolate in. That looks perfect. Are you excited for this, babe?
I actually am. Like, can't wait for dessert. I think it'd be really good with some like coffee, some tea.
Yeah, or maybe some more hot chocolate, you know?
Yeah.
Chocolate on chocolate. Some marshmallows.
Oh yeah.
Amazing. The cookie dough is just perfect. It's ready. If you have a spoon, a cookie spoon, you can use that, but I'm just gonna use my hands. So make sure you have like 1-inch ball, so they're all nice and formed together. And we're just gonna make a little ball here, and we're just gonna roll it into the icing sugar just for a snowy effect. It looks absolutely gorgeous, perfect for this season. It looks like a snowball, right?
Yeah.
As you can see, the icing sugar will add a beautiful snowy effect. Once everything is ready, I'll get them into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes or so. These super tasty delights will be topped with Hershey Kisses, and it's best when it's hot. I'm so excited for these cookies. They look absolutely beautiful. It's seasonal cookies, so everybody can make this. They are super beautiful. We're gonna place them on a cooling rack for about 5 minutes until we dive in. This cookie makes perfect treat for Christmas, for holidays. They are super, super tasty. You have to try these out. Alright guys, so it's the fun part. As per usual, it's the tasting time. I'm just gonna try this out for you guys. Let's go. Wow. It is super, super delicious. It's chewy, it's light, it's just perfect. Oh my god, the chocolate on top is really melting. As you can see, it is bite of heaven. Seriously, you have to try this out. It's best for holidays, for Christmas. I can't even talk anymore. I have to eat. Bye-bye. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful recipe. Try this out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please check me on Instagram at Sahar's Kitchen 1. Until next video, bye-bye.